welcome back. My name is Alyssa if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. Instead of just doing a clean with me, I'm going to be doing kind of like a productive vlogging style. Mostly I think around the house. I don't think I'm leaving the house. Some of it's going to be cleaning, some putting stuff away, just like taking you through my afternoon of getting things done. So I hope you guys like this style. If you do, let me know. So I wrote out a little to-do list so I don't forget anything that I need to do. So I'm just gonna read it off to you guys. First thing was take a 45-minute walk, which I already did. If you guys don't know, if you don't follow me on TikTok, I'm doing 75 hard, which is like a mental toughness challenge, and you have to work out twice a day. So I'm doing a 45-minute walk in the morning, and then usually a walk in the afternoon as well, but sometimes I change it up. So I did my 45-minute walk this morning. I need to restock supplies. I had a grocery order delivered like 5 days ago and I still haven't put anything away, so I have to put those away. Wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Fold some laundry. I have a basket of laundry that needs to be folded. Wash the rug, so the one by the front door and the one by the back door I'm gonna do as part of my cleaning challenge for TikTok. And last thing is read my 10 pages. Again, another thing of 75 hard is you have to read 10 pages of a nonfiction book. So I'm reading Atomic Habits by James Clear. So I need to get those pages read. And yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, like total random side note, but like I'm not bougie about a lot of products. You can't really be when you are like a couponer or whatever. But the one thing I've grown to like be obsessed with are these Viva signature cloth paper towels. Just the texture, like I have a very big texture thing. Like I've always grown up and had a lot of issues with textures, and I love this paper towel. It's kind of pricey, but I'm obsessed. Like this is the one kind of paper towel that I have to get or I'm gonna be mad because I love it. So I washed the rugs. What are you, Chevy? What are you doing? Okay, whatever. I washed the rugs and I did my restocking. I'm going to read my 10 pages of Atomic Habits by James Clear, and then I'm going to do a quick kitchen clean, and yeah.
'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over. Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? When I get there. Will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles
Just realized I totally forgot to close out this video, so that's why I'm wearing something different, because it's the next day. But I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video, because I enjoy filming these, so I can do more. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more cleaning and organizing motivation, and I will see you guys next week for another video. I think this video is going to go up on Monday. I think my new upload day is going to be Monday, because it's just easier for me that way. So let me know if Mondays work for you, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.